Are you tired of not feeling straight or straight? Of seeing in the mirror a crooked or twisted posture that bothers you both visually and physically? Q technology is your solution. Our revolutionary devices, such as the QS, Q1, and Q Ultra, restore your body to its optimal alignment from the first seconds of use. For long-term effects, you will also notice long-term effects on fascia chains, muscle tension, and joints. Why choose Q technology? Instant perfect alignment. In less than 12 seconds, Q technology restores harmony in the 3 planes of space, i.e. frontal, transverse, and sagittal. You regain an upright, graceful, and balanced posture, which boosts both your appearance and your self-confidence. Unlike traditional methods that mechanically force your body to straighten up, Q technology acts on your nervous system, the true master of postural control. Your posture becomes naturally aligned without constraint or discomfort. Being well aligned not only avoids pain, but also projects an image of strength and well-being. An aligned posture is much more than aesthetics. It improves your movements, balances your muscles, and optimizes your energy. You will feel better, and it will show. Take action today. Book an appointment with our certified experts to discover how Q technology can transform your posture and your life.